All is well. I'm about to show you how I am about to trim my bushes. They are out of hand and they need to be trimmed. I'm going to be using this hedger that I purchased from Amazon that I could truly say I love. It is a hedge grass trimmer, cordless. I will provide the information in the video description box of where to get it. I got it from Amazon. You could be able to charge it and all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and cut our bushes. I don't know what it is, but we have a lot of people have a grass guys, but they don't cut the actual bushes. So I usually always cut the bushes. But I don't know why a lot of people don't cut the bushes anymore. I remember back in the day that kind of was a part of it. He will cut it, but he don't just cut it specifically, or nobody that I had cut it. So we about to cut them. Okay, again, this is how it looks, just like this. It's a nice little handy dandy. The thing that I like about it is it won't go off unless you take this out, and then you gotta hold it like this. Hold on. Yeah, actually, I'm sorry. Put this in. Sorry. Put that in, and then you are able to use it. I like that because maybe you forgot to take it out. It has an emergency little thing on it, so it won't just go off by itself. So again, click this inside of here. Make sure you charge it, and that's how it goes. Let's go ahead and use it. And y'all, one thing I like to do first is I like to get a shower curtain to be able to lay down on the ground, because when you are cutting these bushes, y'all, it make a huge mess. And then you find yourself cutting the bush and then having to pick up all the excess. So again, I just put a shower curtain down. You watch your other plants. Shower curtain down. So every time you cut it, then that's when you go in and kind of, you can be able to take it from either the trash, the shower cat on. You can either pick up the trash from the shower curtain, or you can just throw all the shower curtain away. And I'm telling you, it makes it so much easier. Make sure it's anything inside there. And then you just go ahead and cut it. And like I said, you don't have to pick up all the stuff from the ground, because it's hard to get it when it's mixed with mulch. See how easy that works? Yeah, and how it's just falling right on there. It makes it so much easier. I'm just going to just cut these kind of smaller, not super small, but just a little smaller. And I'm not going to cut on the other side until I get to the other side, because if not, again, it's going to be all on the ground. You know how good that is? Super good. See how everything just falling right on the shower curtain. And then when you do the back, go back this way. But like I said, you can always move the shower curtain to where it needs to be. But I'm filming, so I'm just leave it where it is. All right, girl. So I just wanted to show you that quick and easy step. Again, it makes it so much easier when it's time to pick up all this crap. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, do the other bushes, and hopefully that helps you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm telling you, this makes it so much easier. You really have to go in and cut it. No, you just put it over, make sure none of it come out, and just split it around. And you can actually use a used shower curtain or a new one, because I was about to use, I had a new one on hand, but I was like, why would I use my new one? And I just use my old one, and then just throw it away afterwards. And then that is a quick and easy hack. All right, we're done with cutting this. So let me go ahead and get the other ones cut up. See how it's all falling on there? And the ones that don't fall, because it's always some that don't fall on there. Just put it on there, and you can just close it up and throw it in the trash. Look, I don't got all this crap to pick up, and maybe it's always a few sections to the rule, but at least I don't have to pick all of it up, like for real. We really don't grow as fast. And this one don't make as much of a mess as that other one when I'm cutting it. So that's a good thing. And it's falling right on the shower curtain again. You scoot your shower curtain over it. And just get on the ground. That's it. I'm gonna show you how to use it. Take it, make sure this is inside. And you gotta hold this. See that? Hold that and press this. And that's how it works. Go ahead. Be gentle. Make sure everything stays in there. Put it in the trash. Okay. Yeah, when I say I picked the hottest day to do this, it's probably like 95 or 98. But that's how it is. When you feel like doing the yard, you feel like doing the yard. You go in, get me some cold water, but now I am done. We just tie this up and put her in the trash. Hopefully they help somebody. Okay? Bye.